Okay, so just a quick demonstration of the technique sample of playing around with the new modular library. You're actually gonna pull any style that already exists and you're just going to add new blocks to it. So example, any group you like, maybe I'll do men's today. Again, you can be more creative than me. I'm just choosing the first basic one to show you how this works. Okay, so I chose the style and I'm in the style, and the style has all these different block choices. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add to the block choices. So to do that, I can just pull out one of the blocks. So far, oh dear. Okay, I'll get back to that in a minute. Here's the back, and then maybe I'll take a sleeve. You can add the collar and everything. I'm gonna just, oops, I needed that back, come back. I'm gonna get rid of my library to give myself a little more space. I don't need my object browser open either. Okay, let's find my style, there it is. Okay, so to do this, now we have a shirt ready to go from the library. You can redesign a new one from here. So, one of the items that was discussed on the Clo demonstration video is that you might want to have blocks that have preset places with where to place artwork, like a chest hit or something. So that might be a very specifically placed internal line that I put. So at this point, you're like, okay, I want to save this. All you do is go to front body, click plus. We want to add a new block to add to this library. You select the pattern piece. In my case, it would be the front. Select it, and then I just hit enter. It's going to copy the image that's in the 3D window right now. So another kind of trick that they did, I'm going to hit cancel real quick to show you that trick. Let's see if I can. Oh, my computer screen's so funny right now. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I will just hit enter. I'll just go forward with it because I think I'm blocked out. Press enter. I'll just say okay. Is that you might want to, sorry, you might want to change the schematic view is what I was trying to get at. And let me change my view close so I can have access to the 3D side. So just by turning on, that might be a good idea if you like the thumbnails to kind of have that drawing, just so you can easier see what's going on. Let me move this window. Yeah, because then you can see the placement lines. Okay, so let's go back to 2D. So yeah, so maybe you add a pocket. Maybe you guys change the neckline. Let's see here. Maybe I'll change the curved shape. Ooh, that's not cute. But the goal is to just kind of warm up to the new modular library. There we go. Oh dear, let's try that one more time. There we go. Okay, and then just add some new designs. I'm gonna add this guy. I added my plus sign. I'm gonna now choose this guy. I'm gonna press enter. Here's my schematic view. Maybe I should hit simulate so it's a little bit prettier. Say okay. And let's go see if it's there, the two guys that I just saved. Get rid of that. Oh, press enter, enter. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. There we go. There's my new body. So I did that really fast, but watch the whole demonstration video, come up with some great designs, and the technique assignment this week is just adding a few more block options of the pattern pieces.